Is in the previous video we have done the integration of this integration. Now we are going to do the same process with some other integrations like this. So these two integrations we are going to solve. In this integration we have done by making it perfect square, making it a square. Now the same way we are going to do in these two questions. Now let's have a look at this integration, and we know the integration of this, dx by root under a square plus x square. We know the integration of this, and we are going to find the integration of this. So what we are going to do, in the same way that we had previously done, we are going to make this perfect square, ax square plus, we will make this perfect square ax square plus bx plus c as a perfect square. For being in a perfect square, it should be in the form of x square plus 2ax या फिर alpha x plus alpha square. So in this form we are going to make it arrange such that we take a common a, then x square plus b by ax plus c by a. Now we have to see this as a 2 alpha x, means now we have to see this as 2x into b by 2a plus c by a. Now what we'll do, we would x square add 2x b by 2a, add b by 2a की whole square minus b by 2a की whole square plus c by a. In the same way, this is the perfect square of a into x plus b by 2a का whole square, and c by a minus b square by 4a square. It is, suppose, say alpha. So now what we are getting a, let's say alpha square. Now we are getting ax plus b by 2a की whole square plus alpha square. Now what we have to do, now we have to integrating dx by root under a would become outside, so it would be root a outside and root a into x plus b by 2a की whole square plus alpha square. Now this, what would be integration of this? If you integrate this, means dx by root under a square plus x square, you would get its integration as a ln x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. So in the same way, this and this form is same, you guys can understand, but instead of x, here is x plus b by 2a. So what we are going to do, let's erase it. So this integration would be 1 by root a outside, and this would be ln x plus b by 2a plus root under x plus b by 2a की square plus alpha square plus c. You guys would have understand what I am trying to say. So just in that question also, if we are going to integrate this, you can say, I can say, integrating dx root under ax square plus bx plus c, the same way you can proceed. You convert it into this, and now then apply the formula of integrating dx root under एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर। इट्स वेरी इजी। तो गाइस ये वीडियो था इस 3 इंटीग्रेशन पे। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, एंड सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।